Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own app? Something that perfectly fits your lifestyle, helps you stay organized, productive, or even healthier, but you don't know how to code? Imagine this. When you're trying to lose weight, there's an app that logs your meals and gives you personalized workout tips. When you travel, it auto-generates packing checklists so you'll never forget your essentials again. Or maybe it designs a journal that tracks your mood and habits. Sounds amazing, right? Well, guess what? You can actually build apps like these yourself, just by chatting. That's exactly what Macaron AI can do for you. Macaron AI is a revolutionary no-code platform powered by artificial intelligence. You simply talk to it like a friend, tell it what you want, describe your idea,
and the AI will instantly create a personalized mini app for you.
No programming knowledge, no complicated setup, just conversation. And here's the best part, it's free to try. Once you register, you'll automatically get 60 almonds in your account. Each app creation costs just about 10 almonds and takes roughly 20 minutes to complete. So yes, you can make up to 6 apps completely free. After that, watch Macaron transform your ideas into functional, customized tools while you sit back and relax. If you're stuck and don't know what kind of app to build, don't worry. You can check out Macaron's playbook. It's packed with lots of example apps and ideas that you can use or customize to your own needs. It's a great way to get inspired and see what's possible. All right, here's a quick look at what we're going to cover in today's video. What exactly is Macaron AI? What can you build with it? How to get started step by step. And finally, our detailed and objective review based on real usage. So let's dive in. Macaron AI is an innovative personal agent, AI designed to truly understand you. Instead of just answering questions like a regular chatbot, it remembers your goals, preferences, habits, and even emotional patterns. Think of it as a creative AI companion that evolves with you and designs tools that fit your needs perfectly. It uses advanced deep memory architecture and reinforcement learning, which basically means it learns what's important to you, forgets what's not, and improves every time you chat with it. This kind of smart recall allows it to generate apps that feel tailored just for your daily life. All right, so what kind of apps can Macaron actually create? Pretty much anything that supports your daily lifestyle. Check this out. Health and fitness. Get custom workout plans, track calories, or log meals with AI-detected nutrition insights. Travel assistant. Create intelligent itineraries, find local attractions, book hotels, and auto-manage your budget. Mood and life journals. Build your own emotional diary to track moods and reflect on habits. Time management. Generate study planners, productivity timers, or goal trackers automatically. Learning tools. Design your own language learning apps, flashcards, or translation companions. Creative fun, even tarot readers, daily horoscope tools, or creative idea generators. There's literally no boundary. If you can describe it, Macaron can build it. Here's how simple it is to get started. Step 1. Go to AIPURE and search for Macaron AI, then click Visit Website to access the official Macaron site. Or simply click the link below in the video description. Step 2. Once on the Macaron homepage, click Get the app to download the version that matches your mobile system. Android or iOS. Important, web version currently does not support full app creation or experience. Step 3. After installing the mobile app, you can start chatting with Macaron to describe your app ideas and watch it generate them for you. Step 4. You'll need to wait about 20 minutes to get your fully functional custom app ready to use. Step 5. Click the back button in the upper left corner to find our playbook. It's packed with examples and can give you plenty of ideas if you're unsure of what kind of app to create. No code, no confusion, just natural chatting. That's all it takes. After using Macaron AI extensively, we can confidently say it's an amazing AI tool. Creating a personalized app takes only minutes, and the AI's understanding is remarkably human-like. For example, we asked it to design a pet nutrition expert. You can directly ask Macaron, I want an app to suggest cat food based on my cat's age and weight. Then click Send, wait 20 minutes, and you will get a full-featured pet nutrition expert app. Just enter your cat's age and weight to get customized portion size, food type, and detailed nutritional needs. Each suggestion includes comprehensive nutritional information to ensure that your feline companion gets the nutritional balance suitable for its specific life stage and body size. This is so cool, no code is required in the whole process. The ease of use. Just describe what you need and Macaron does the rest. It's deep personalization. It remembers your habits and preferences over time. Flexibility in building everything, from a fitness log to a travel diary. The playbook, which provides templates and examples, makes starting a breeze for beginners. Limitations. Right now, app customization is primarily mobile-based. The web version has limited features. Some apps might need manual adjustments to match your unique needs precisely. The creation process, while quick, still takes around 20 minutes, so it's not instant but very close. Overall, Macaron is a powerful and user-friendly tool for anyone who wants to build personalized apps without technical skills. It's perfect for freelancers, students, or anyone eager to bring ideas to life easily. Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or just curious about AI, Macaron gives you the power to bring your ideas to life faster than ever. It's intelligent, fun, practical, and completely stress-free. If you're tired of searching for that perfect app, now you can create it yourself. So go ahead and click the link below to try Macaron AI for free. You'll get 60 bonus almonds, and who knows, you might build something incredible today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content on AI tools and innovations. This is AIPURE, your go-to source for exploring the smartest AI tools that make your life simpler and more creative.